ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्य स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। भाष्य ऑफ 9th कारिका, पेज नंबर 89। So the Karika said, स्वप्नवृत्तावपि त्वन्तश्चेतसा कल्पितं तु असत् बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सत् दृष्टं वैतथ्यम एतयोः। So what is kalpitam inside the mind in swapna is thought of as mithya, and what is experienced outside with sense organs in swapna, which you think you are experiencing using pratyakshadi pramana, is considered as sat, means satyam. But when you wake up, then you understand both are mithya, outside and inside. Everything in swapna is mithya. In the same way, in Jagrat, it will come in the 10th Karika. So see Bhashya from the first line on 89. Swapna vrittavapi swapnasthane api tu antaschetasa manoratha sankalpitam asat. In swapna vrittau means swapnasthane. Vritti shabda is to show adhikarana, locus, in this context. Like when we say tadvati, tad prakaraka, so that tadvati means in that locus. Like that here also, sapna vrittau means in swapna sthanam. Api antaschetasa, through the antakarana, manoratha sankalpitam. What is manoratha sankalpitam is asat. And how do you know संकल्पानंतरम स्वप्न समकालम एव अदर्शनात्. After when the sankalpa is done, so sankalpanantaram, then it is considered as satyam. You all want video for this class also? So what is kalpitam is understood later as mithya. Later means while swapna is still going on. Swapna samakalam eva adarshanath. So those objects are not seen anymore later. Tatraiva swapne, there itself in the swapna, bahischetasa grihitam chakshuradi-dwarena upalabdham. Through chakshuradi-dwara means that which is experienced through the karanas. Chakshuradi-dwarena means chakshuradi-karanena. Upalabdham, ghatadi, etc. Sat iti evam. Up to that is one vakya. That vakya is over there. Then it says, iti evam asatvam iti nischite api. Even though the nischay is there that everything is asat. Asatvam iti nischite api sadasad vibhago drishtaha. So even though the nischaya is that what is there in swapna is asatvam, means mithya, but sat asat vibhaga is there. This distinction that what is outside is sat, what is inside, outside means indriyaihi jnatam tat sat, chetasa grihitam tat asat. This sadasad vibhaga is seen. Ubhayoho api antar bahish. So before that, tika, first line of tika you see. Swapna sthane sarvasya mithyatva visheshe api ityartha. Nischite api, that is where this tika is. Swapna sthane sarvasya mithyatva avisheshe. In swapna, even though everything is mithya, but still sadasad vibhago drishtaha. This sad asad vibhaga is still seen in swapna. Ityartha. Further in tika. Asatvam paramartha sad vilakshanattvena mithyatvam. What is asatvam? Paramartha sad vilakshanattvena mithyatvam. Asatvam actually means na sat iti asat. In that way samasa is done. So na sat means different from paramartha sat. परमार्थ सद विलक्षणत्वेन मिथ्यात्वम। तत्रापि तर्हि विभाग प्रतिभास विरोधात् कुतो मिथ्यात्वम। इवन इन दैट विभाग प्रतिभास विरोधात्, this division which is an apparent division which is opposite to each other, kuto mithyatvam. So if one is sat, another is asat, how can you say both are mithya? Iti ashankya. That line is clear. Tatrapi tarhi vibhaga pratibhasa virodhat. Vibhaga pratibhas means there is a difference in how they appear. One is different from the other. One is considered sat, another is considered asat, and still you say both are mithya. Kutaha mithyatvam iti ashankya. Badha visheshat. Badha avisheshat means as far as their negation is concerned, there is no difference. Both are getting negated. Ityaha. In Bhashya, Ubhayorapi Antahar Bahish Chetah Kalpitayor Vaitatyam Eva Drashtam. Ubhayoho means Antaha and Bahihi. Both are Chetah Kalpita. Both are projections of mind. Vaitatyam. So they are mithya. Vaitatyam Eva Drashtam. Further, so this is example part, Drashtanta. Now, in Darshtantika, how it will work, so it is explained. Darshtantikam aha. Jagrad vritta vapitvantash chetasa kalpitam tvasat बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सद द्युक्तं वैतथ्यमेतयोः जागृत Jagrat vrittau api means in Jagrat avastha also, Jagrit sthane api. Tu antah chetasa kalpitam tu asat. Antah means in waking also what I think only in my mind, I go on imagining. That is all asat. Chetasa kalpitam tu asat. Bahish cheto grihitam sat. And outside, cheto grihitam means mind is of course used, but indriyas are also used. Then I say, oh, this is so real. It has to be real. Why? Because I am using sense organs. And it is outside. It is not my projection. Others are also seeing. So we think because others are seeing, therefore it is real. All others, if they are in illusion, it doesn't make a thing real. And if, let us say, 10 people come together and they have a wrong thinking about something, some object, some person, some situation, some institution, whatever. So if 10 people think erroneously, then that doesn't become truth. So the fact remains the fact. So just because others are seeing, if only I am experiencing then it is mithya. But if others are also experiencing, then it is satyam. This is not true. Yuktam vaitatyam etayoh antah kalpitam bahihi kalpitam. He says antah kalpitam bahihi grihitam. Antah kalpitam, inside is kalpita, outside is grihita, through senses, but both are mithya. So outside means what is our idea? That others are also experiencing it. This is what we call outside. And that even when I don't experience, that object is still there. This is called Ajnata Satta. Vyavaharik Prapancha is considered to have Ajnata Satta, whereas Pratibhasik Prapancha is considered to have only Jnata Satta. Jnata Satta means only when you know it has Satta. Jnana Kale Eva Satta. This is Pratibhasika Lakshana. Rajju Sarpa. It has Satta only when I am knowing. When I don't know, it doesn't have Satta. Whereas Vastavik Sarpa will have Satta otherwise also. So this is the Bheda. To recognize Mithyatva and then not fall for it, not get either Bhaya, Kampana ityadi or Raga, Lobha ityadi. For both, I need good detachment. That is required. टीका युक्तत्वे हेतुमाह अंतरिति श्लोकस्थानाम अक्षराणाम व्याख्यानम अनपेक्षितम. श्लोकस्था अक्षराणाम, the words which are there in the shlokas, there is no expectation to comment on it. So Anand Giriji says, I don't expect that we need to comment on it. Why? Because Vyakhyata Prayatvat Ityaha. Because it is all Vyakhyatam only. Everything is already explained. What more is there to explain? And in Bhashya, Sadasator Vaitatyam Yuktam. Sadasat means Abhimata Sadasat. What is considered as Sat and Sat. Asat. What is inside and outside. Sadasatoho Vaitatyam Yuktam. They are Mithya. It is Yukta only. Antarbahi Chetaha Kalpitatva Avisheshat iti. Antaha and Bahi, inside and outside. What is Chetaha Kalpita? What is projected by the mind is not different, avishesha. Means outside it is also projected by mind. Inside is agreed by all of us. But outside also it is projection of mind alone. Iti. Vyakhyatam anyat. Everything else is explained. Further in Tika. Sarvamityatve pramatri pramanadi vyavahara anupapatya virodham ashankate. If everything is mithya, then pramata, pramana, prameya, all this vyavahara, upapatti will not happen. Anupapatya virodham, then there will be virodha, contradiction. Ashankate, ubhayorapi vaitathyam भेदानां स्थानयोर्यदि क एतान् बुध्यते भेदान् को वै तेषां विकल्पकः उभयोरपि वैतथ्यम् उभयोरपि वैतथ्यम भेदानां स्थानयोः यदि यदि उभयोः स्थानयोः भेदानां वैतथ्यम उभयोः स्थानयोः in both the places, in Jagrat and in Swapna, inside and outside, if everything is mithya, भेदानां पदार्थानां वैतथ्यम अपि means also in that way. दोनों का भी मिथ्यात्व, मतलब means what is inside is okay, what is swapna is okay, but outside also if it is mithya, ka etan bhedan buddhyate ko vai tesham vikalpakah. So in Tika he explains what these words are. So first he said pramata praman adi vyavahara anupapatti. The previous page there is no tippani, this page there is tippani number 2. Let us see. Anupapatya vishesham pramatradi vyavahara anyatha anupapanna. This is arthapatti praman. Arthapatti's another name is anyatha anupapatti. If you say everything is mithya, pramatadi vyavahar will not happen. Because in vyavaharik satta only pramata vyavahar is there. In pratibhasik satta it is avidya only. So pramatradi vyavahar anyatha anupapannaha san satyatvam apadayati iti arthapatti virodho bodhyaha. So in arthapatti there will be this virodha, that if you say both are mithya, pramatadi vyavahara will become anyatha anupapannaha. Pramatadi vyavahara anyatha anupapatya jagrat padarthanam satyatvam kalpanam. You will have to do this kalpana, that if pramatadi vyavahara you want it to be real, then one of them has to be satyam, means jagrat has to be satyam. If jagrat is also mithya, then pramatadi vyavahara, pramatru pramanadi vyavahara anupapatti, it will not happen. This virodha will happen. Like if you don't accept Ratri Bhojanam for Devadatta, fatness cannot be justified. To justify fatness for a person who doesn't eat during the day, you will have to do Ratri Bhojana Kalpana. So, पीनत्व अनुपपत्या रात्रि भोजन कल्पनम. In the same way here, सत्यत्वम अनुपपत्या और प्रमात्रादि व्यवहार अनुपपत्या सत्यत्व कल्पनम you should do. And if both are mithya, then pramatadi vyavahara will not be there, will not be accepted, but it is there. So this virodha is there. That is the virodham ashankate. Further in tika, कर्तृ करण कार्य व्यवस्था अनुपपत्या अपि विरोधो अस्ति. Same. Just as jnana vyavahara will not happen, karma vyavahara also will not happen. Means karma vyavahara will not fit in. कर्तृ करण कार्य व्यवस्था अनुपपत्या अपि विरोधो अस्ति. को वा. सो क एतान बुध्यते भेदान. कह एतान भेदान बुध्यते वन. देन को वा तेषां विकल्पकः. को वै मीन्स को वा हु वुड बी देयर विकल्पकः. विकल्पकः मीन्स निर्माता इति यावत् इन टीका. So who is, if everything is mithya, then who is the creator? Who is the projector? Who knows? Who gets the jnanam that everything is mithya? These exactly the same questions we ask for Shunyavadin. That if everything is Shunyam, who knows that it is Shunyam? Somebody has to know. विकल्पको निर्माता इति यावत्. So, Sakshi, what we say, has to be there for Mithyatva of everything. And a creator has to be there, which is considered as Jagat Karanam. So, Sakshi and Jagat Karana both have to be there. And Vedanta says they both are one. And Sakshitva and Jagat Karanatva both are not real identities of Atma. Both of them are projected. Now further you see in Tika, Shlokasya Chodyaparatvam Pratijanite. Of the shloka, Chodya means Prashna, Shanka. So what is that doubt which is raised? That is given in the shloka. Its pratignya is done. Pratijanite means pratignyam karoti in Bhashya. Chodakasya aha. Can you hear me clearly? Okay, because I am not shouting, I am speaking very softly. Chodakasya aha. Swapna jagrat sthanayor bhedanam yadi vaitatyam. If swapna and jagrat sthana, swapna sthanan, swapnascha jagratcha, swapna jagrati, jagrat jagrati jagrati. So swapna jagrati tayoho sthanayoho, swapna jagrat sthanayoho bhedanam yadi vaitatyam. If all padarthas in both are mithya, tesham vaitatyam, kaha etan अंतर्बहिश्चेतः कल्पितान बुध्यते. कह एतान बुध्यते, हु नोज देम. What are they? अंतर बहिः चेतः कल्पितान. Inside and outside, both of them are चेतः कल्पित, projected by mind. कह बुध्यते, को वै तेषां विकल्पकः, and who is their विकल्पक, means निर्माता. Or you can say projector. टीका. अक्षर योजनया प्रथमार्थापत्ति विरोधम स्फोरयति. So through akshara yojana, first arthapatti virodham is shown, sporayati. That if everything is mithya, then who is the knower? Chaturtha padam avatarya arthapatyantar virodham, another arthapatti virodha. That if everything is mithya, ko vai tesham vikalpakaha, then who is the creator if everything is mithya? So two arthapattis are there, one jnana related, one karma related. Jnana sambandhi, other is karma sambandhi. कर्ता ही पूर्वानुभूतम स्मृत्वा तज्जातीयान निर्मिमीते. कर्ता ही पूर्वानुभूतम स्मृत्वा. What does कर्ता do? He recollects what was experienced earlier. Purvanubhutam smritva, then tajjatiyan nirmimite, then he creates the same thing, similar thing. So karta should have smriti. Smriti will come from purvanubhava, and now he will create something. Tena smrityanubhava ashraya akshepena. So now there is smriti and anubhava ashraya akshepa on karta. See tippani. Smrityanubhava ashrayasyaiva nirmatritvena. Smriti and anubhava ashraya is nirmatritva. So nirmata, creator, will have smriti ashrayatva, anubhava ashrayatva. So first will be anubhava, then will be smriti. And akshepa iti nishedha abhiprayena prashnaha. Akshepa, so in Tikakar has given the word akshepa. So you know, when a question is asked, question can be prashnartha or akshepartha, both. Prashna means there is a shanka and they want samadhana. Akshepa means they are negating it. They are showing the nishedha. So that is why Tippanikar said nishedha abhiprayena prashnaha is called akshepa. So if somebody says, sit here, how can I sit there? Means what? I cannot sit there. There is no room, or that place is dirty or something. So he is not asking how can I sit there. How can I sit there? How can you say that? So he is not asking, okay, tell me, how did you say that? That if somebody says, you are an idiot, how can you say that? Okay, I will tell you how to say, you are an idiot. Not like that. How can you say means, it is an akshepa. So akshepa will have nishedha. Nishedha abhiprayena prashnaha. Further in Tika, so smriti anubhava ashraya akshepena karta akshepo. Through that akshepa, karta akshepa is done. Karta akshepa vivekchitaha. So when it is said, who knows everything then? Means there won't be anybody who knows anything. Who is the creator? Who is the Vikalpaka? Means he is not asking, he is doing akshepa. There won't be any creator then. So that karta akshepa is there, vivakshita. Tatha cha कर्त्रादि व्यवहार अनुपपत्ति ही सर्वमिथ्यात्वे दुर्वारा इत्यर्थः. So if everything is mithya, कर्त्रादि व्यवहार अनुपपत्ति is durvara, means is inevitable. कर्त्रादि व्यवहार will not be justified. So you will have to explain that there has to be some karta, etc. यो अध्यात्मं प्रमाता यश्च अधिदेवं कर्ता ईश्वरः. सो प्रमाता एंड कर्ता ईश्वर. वन इज प्रमाता, वन इज ईश्वर. अध्यात्म अधिदेव. ता उभावपि मिथ्या इति अंगीकारात्. इफ यू एक्सेप्ट बोथ आर मिथ्या, प्रमात्रादेहे असत्वम इति आशंका, देन प्रमातादि दे आर असत इति आशंक्याः न चेत. इन भाष्य फर्स्ट दी स्मृति ज्ञानयोः को वै तेषां विकल्पकः. स्मृति ज्ञानयोः कः आलम्बनम् इति अभिप्रायः. Of smriti and jnanam, because jnanam means anubhava is there. So smriti and anubhava, or smriti and jnanam, who is the alambanam, who is the support? 1 number tippani ashraya ityartha iti abhiprayah na ched niratmavada ishtah. If you say no, there is no pramata, there is no creator, then what will happen? निरात्मवाद मीन्स शून्यवाद. इष्टः, then you will have to accept that. Means you are accepting that if you deny there is no karta, there is no kalpaka. And there is no bodha. In टीका यदि प्रमाता कर्ता वा न इष्यते, इफ यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट प्रमाता और कर्ता, तर्हि नैरात्म्यम इष्टम एव आपद्यते. देन नैरात्म्य विल बी इष्टम. नैरात्म्य यू विल एंड अप इन निरात्मवाद. नैरात्म्यम इष्टम एव आपद्यते न च तद एष्टुम शक्यते. बट दैट is not acceptable. न च तद एष्टुम शक्यते. आत्मनिराकरणस्य दुष्करत्वात्. निराकर्तुरेव आत्मत्वात् इत्यर्थः. You cannot say नैरात्म्यवाद में शून्यवाद. न च तद एष्टुम शक्यते. It is not possible for you to accept it. Why? Not only you, anybody, because आत्मनिराकरणस्य दुष्करत्वात्. You cannot say I am not there. You can't negate yourself. Nirakartuhu eva atmatvat. The one who is doing negation, that his self is this Atma. Nirakartuhu eva atmatva means his atmatva, his self is that Atma. So you can't say there is no Atma. 5 number tippani explains that. Atma nirakaranaस्य इति. निराकर्ता ही प्रष्टव्यः. He, see, टिप्पणीकार makes it open. He opens that sentence further. निराकर्ता ही प्रष्टव्यः. The one who is negating should be asked this question. त्वम आत्मा न वा इति. Are you Atma or not? Means when you think of yourself, are you there or not in this way? You can say everything is not there. Are you there or not? न असौ न इति ब्रूयात्. न असौ न इति ब्रूयात्. असौ न, असौ आत्मा न इति न ब्रूयात्. You cannot say this Atma is not, means I am not. In this way you can't say. Anatmatva bhiya, out of the fear of becoming anatma, means there where there is no Atma. Out of that fear, you will not be able to say, no, I am not. Iti dushakam atma nirakaranam. Therefore, it is impossible to negate your own self. So, you are there. That shows there has to be something. Nairatmyavada is not possible. So now answer is given in the next one. Kartru karyadi vyavastha anupapattim pariharati. So understand, the main thing is, other than Atma, Shuddha Chaitanya, everything is mithya. Whatever it is, Prithvi Loka, Swarga Loka, Brahma Loka, everything is mithya. So, for those who also know Kathopanishad, right, those who are already attending, there we say everything has anityatva, dukkha mishritatva, and that indriyanam jarayitratva ityadi. And here we say mithyatva, not only anityatva. Here we say, okay, we can say drishyatva, adyantavatva. But because of vyapti, we say wherever there is drishyatva, there is mithyatva. Wherever there is adyantavatva, there is mithyatva. And swapna is the drashtanta. So, there vairagya in Kathopanishad, seeing all the defects in Vishayas. And here, totally indifferent attitude, that whether such things are existing, not existing, it doesn't matter. To that extent, there is vairagya. Kartru karyadi vyavastha anupapattim pariharati. Karta, karya, this vyavastha will not happen, will not function. Adi vyavastha anupapattim pariharati. So that arthapatti, which was shown as akshepa, Siddhanti says, no, I will tell you, something is there. Kalpayatyatmanatmana matma devah swamayaya sa eva buddhyate bheda niti vedanta nishchayah. Kalpayatyatmanatmana. कल्पयति आत्मना आत्मानम् आत्मा देवः स्वमायया। आत्मना आत्मा आत्मानं स्वमायया कल्पयति। Atma means Deva. Atma and Deva are synonym. So Devatmananda, if you say, that which is Deva itself is Atma, itself is Ananda. It is all Karmadhara. Devascha asau, Atma cha asau, Anandascha. Atma Devaha is Prathama. Atma is first case. Atmanam second case. Atmana third case. Kalpayati with the help of Swamaya. So Swamaya is Sahakari Karana, you can say. And Atma is Mukhya. And Kalpayati Kutra, then Adhikarana also, Saptami Vibhakti also you can put, Atmani. So Atma, Atmana, Atmanam, Atmani Kalpayati. Saha eva bhedan buddhyate. Because the other question was asked, Kaha kalpakaha, so that is answered first. Second question is answered first. Atma is the kalpakaha. Kaha buddhyate, saha eva buddhyate. He is the knower also. Who says this? Iti Vedanta Nishchaya. This is the conclusion of Vedanta. Tika. Karanantaram vyavachinati. There is no other karana. Atmana. Karmantaram vyavartayati atmanam. There is no other karma. Kartrantaram nivarayati. See Anand Giriji. Vyavachinati, vyavartayati, nivarayati. And first pariharati. They all mean the same thing. To eliminate, to negate. Parihara, vyavacheda, vyavartanam, nivaranam. Lut pratyaya in all this. Pariharanam, vyavachedanam, vyavartanam, nivaranam. Third number tippani, Atma Swayam ityartha. Okay. Tasya dyotakantarapekshaam pratikshipati. And the illuminator is also not any other. So it is not that a pot maker is creating, but you need another light. Electricity is not there, he will stop. No, because Antar Jyoti, Bahir Jyoti, Atma Jyoti, Shivosmeham. Jyoti Jyoti, Param Jyoti. So he is the Chaitanya Swarupa Matra. So he is Deva. There is no other thing. Devaiti. Vivartavadam Dyotayati. And it is not a real creation, not Parinama. Vivarta only by using the word Swamaya. So Maya is also, see, Swamaya is Tritiya, Karana. In other words, Atma is there, but along with that, Maya is also there. And therefore, creation is like this. Like this means Vivarta. सर्वस्य मिथ्यात्वेपि मायायाः विकल्पित भेदानुरोधेन कर्तृत्वादि व्यवस्था सिद्ध्यति इति भावः. सर्वस्य मिथ्यात्वे, इफ एवरीथिंग इज मिथ्या, then maya vikalpita bheda anurodena, maya will have vikalpita bheda and kartruttvadi vyavastha will happen, vyavastha siddhyati. Everything is illusory, but karta is illusory, karana is illusory, everything will function just like that. Pramatra pramana adi vyavahar anupapattim pratyaha. And if the question was asked, what about pramata pramana prameya vyavahara? So towards that it is said, saheva buddhyate ekasminneva advitiye pratichi vastuni काल्पनिक भेद निबंधना सर्वा व्यवस्था इति अत्र प्रमाणम आह. इन वन थिंग अलोन, एकस्मिन् एव अद्वितीय प्रतीचि वस्तुनि, प्रतीचि सप्तमी एक वचनम और प्रत्यक. इन दैट प्रत्यगात्म वस्तु काल्पनिक भेद निबंधना सर्वा व्यवस्था, ऑल व्यवस्था इज देयर विथ काल्पनिक भेद. There is a famous statement in our Vedanta in Ekajivavada. They say, how will you explain this? How will you explain that? So they say, Sarva Shankamala Prakshalanam Swapna Drashtanta Salilaya Kartavyam. What did I say? समस्त शंका मल प्रक्षालनम स्वप्न दृष्टांत सलिलया कर्तव्यम. All doubts are like the mud. They should be washed out by the water of Swapna Drashtanta. Swapna Drashtanta is like Bhagirathi Pravaha, the flow of Ganga ji. It will wash out all doubts. Means any question you have, Swapnavat, bas. But in Ekajivavada, you will have to ask the question, whose Swapna? Who is dreaming? So we have seen this elaborately in Sankshepa Shariraka. काल्पनिक भेद निबंधना सर्वा व्यवस्था इति अत्र प्रमाणमाह इति वेदांत निश्चयः. यथा now the introduction for Bhashya in Tika. यथा घटस्रष्टा कुलालो अधिष्ठाता मृदो अन्यो दृष्टः न तथा इह अन्यो अधिष्ठातो अस्तित्याह. अधिष्ठाता should be there. अधिष्ठातो अधिष्ठाता. Okay. So do that correction. Adhisthata. Just as Ghatasrashta, Kulala, the creator of a pot, Kulala, is Adhisthata, different from clay, Mrudo Anyaha, Drashtaha, it is seen. Na tatha iha, not here, it is not like that. Na tatha iha Anyo Adhisthata asti. Here, Anya Adhisthata is not there. Bhashya Swayam Swamayaya I am getting some false calls from some numbers while this call is going on. And it is not India number because it has 11 digits. So some app is running and calling, it looks like. Okay. स्वयं in भाष्य, स्वयं स्वमाया स्वमात्मानम, Atma, Deva, Atmani. See, in Bhashya, Adhikarana is also given. In Shloka, it is not there because there is not enough space for more words. But Bhashyakar added Atmani, Adhikarana also. I think in Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter, that Shloka is there, there Atmani is there or not? No, not that. This should be around 23rd shloka in 6th chapter. यत्रो परमते चित्तम निरुद्धम योग सेवया यत्र चैवात्मनात्मानं पश्यन् आत्मनि तुष्यति. That shloka. 20. यत्रो परमते चित्तम निरुद्धम योग सेवया यत्र चैव आत्मना आत्मानं आत्मनि पश्यन् तुष्यति. So there Atmanam, Atmana and Atmani. And Karta you have to understand is Atma. That is exactly this. So you note and then you can see those Bhashya and everything. Maybe you can see Shankaranandi Tika because Swami Shankarananda ji, he is big on 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, this Samadhi Abhyasa, etc. So Atmani eva vakshamanam bhedakaram kalpayati rajvadaviva sarpadin. Just as in Rajju, etc., sarpadin are kalpita, projected. In Tika, यथा तत्र मृदाख्यम उपादानम अधिष्ठातुः अन्यद अधिगतम न तथा अत्र अन्यद उपादानम अस्तीत्याह. यथा just as तत्र मृदाख्य, तत्र means what? Tatra means in Drashtanta, Ghata Drashtanta. Mridakhyam Upadanam, because previous line said about Ghata. Mridakhyam Upadanam Adhisthatuhu Anyat. Mrit Upadana is different from Kulala, who is the Adhisthata. Adhigatam, it is known. Na tatha atra anyad upadanam asti. Here it is not like that. There is no other upadana. Iti aha swam atmanam iti. Tatra na tatra cha ghatam kurvato bhubhago bhavati. Adharo, no tatha iha adhara. There somebody will say, okay, Kulala is different, clay is different, the Mrit, and he has to sit on the ground to do everything, Bhubhaga. So Adhikarana is different from Kulala also and Mritika also. Here he says Adhikarana is Atma, Nimitta Karana is Atma, Upadana Karana is Atma. न तथा ये आधारो अन्यो अस्ति इति आत्मनि एव परिणामवादं व्यावर्त्य विवर्तवादं प्रकटयितुं स्वमायया इति उक्तं तत्र दृष्टान्तम् आह रज्ज्वादाविव. So Rajju Drishtanta is to show Vivartavada and that Maya which was mentioned. Now Maya Dvarena, that we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.